Apple's new iPhone 17 lineup was only just announced a few days ago, but already the spotlight is swinging back to Samsung. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is still months away, yet leaks are already stirring up debates, and this time the news centers on the camera, but not in the way fans were hoping. According to well-known tipster Ice Universe, the upcoming Ultra may not deliver the upgrade people expected on its 3x telephoto zoom lens. Early whispers suggested Samsung was gearing up to use a fresh 12-megapixel sensor, which sounded like a welcome improvement for zoom photography. But here's the twist. While the sensor itself may indeed be 12 megapixels, the phone is reportedly set to crop images down to 10 megapixels. At first glance, that doesn't sound terrible. After all, the 3x camera on the Galaxy S25 Ultra also produced 10-megapixel photos. But dig into the technical details and the difference becomes clearer. The S25 Ultra relied on a 1/3.53-inch sensor with 1.12 micron pixels. The S26 Ultra's rumored sensor, however, shrinks slightly to 1/3.94 inches with smaller 1.0 micron pixels. Now, why does that matter? Well, because pixel size has a direct impact on image quality. Larger pixels capture more light, which usually translates to brighter, cleaner images with less grain, especially in darker conditions. With smaller pixels and a slightly reduced sensor size, the S26 Ultra's 3x zoom could end up struggling more in low-light environments than its predecessor. Of course, Samsung isn't exactly new to this game. Their image processing is some of the strongest in the industry, and paired with the newer ISP inside the Snapdragon chip, they could very well smooth out most of the shortcomings on the hardware side. But if you're looking strictly at the numbers, this doesn't feel like an upgrade. And, if anything, it seems like Samsung may be treading water, or even taking a small step backward with this particular camera. So here's the big question. Will Samsung's software wizardry be enough to offset the smaller sensor and pixel size? Or are we about to see the Ultra's telephoto zoom take a dip in quality? Let me know what you think in the comments, and stay tuned because this is only the beginning, as we expect more Galaxy S26 news to pour in the coming days and weeks. So consider subscribing to the channel to stay updated, and I'll see you guys on the next one.